नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। I welcome all of you in today's practical session of case taking. In aphorism 90, Dr. Hiniman says, when the physician has finished writing down these particulars, he then makes a note of what he himself observes in the patient and ascertains how much of that was peculiar to the patient in his healthy state. So, what he says, when the physician has finished writing down these particulars, मतलब जो पेशेंट ने कंप्लेन करी, जो उसके एक्सप्रेशंस दिए, वो सब हमने राइट डाउन कर लिए हैं. देन ही मेक्स ए नोट ऑफ व्हाट ही हिमसेल्फ ऑब्जर्व्स इन द पेशेंट. अब फिजिशियन को ये काम करना है कि उसने पेशेंट के अंदर क्या क्या ऑब्ज़र्व किए, उसके जेस्चर्स कैसे हैं, उसकी स्पीच कैसी है, his tone of voice, his expressions, his gestures, all should be noted down, and ascertains how much of that was peculiar to the patient in his healthy state. For example, how the patient behaved during the visit, whether he was morose, quarrelsome, hasty, lachrymose, anxious, despairing, or sad, or hopeful, calm, whether he was in a drowsy state or in any way dull of comprehension, whether he spoke hoarsely or in a low tone or incoherently, or how otherwise did he talk, what was the color of his face and eyes and of his skin generally, what degree of liveliness and power was there in his expressions and eyes, what was the state of his tongue, his breathing, the smell from his mouth and his hearing, were his pupils dilated or contracted, how rapidly and to what extent did they alter in the dark and in the light, what was the character of the pulse, what was the condition of the abdomen, how moist or hot, how cold or dry to the touch was the skin of this or that part, or generally, whether he lay with head thrown back, with mouth half or wholly open, with the arms placed above the head, on his back, or in what other position, what efforts did he make to raise himself, and anything else in him that may strike the physician as being remarkable. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.